Ever looked at a map and seen California and Baja California, two long stretches of land right next to each other, and wondered just how connected they really are? It's a story much deeper than just a line on a map. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating, complex, and unique relationship between these two regions. They share a name, a border, and a coastline, but in many ways, they are worlds apart. Yet, their destinies are intertwined in ways that might surprise you. So, grab your virtual passport and let's explore the tale of two Californias. Let's start with culture. Walk the streets of San Diego, and you'll feel a vibrant, fast-paced American energy with a strong undercurrent of Mexican influence. You'll hear English and Spanish, see surf culture blending with startup hustle. Now, cross the border into Tijuana, and the atmosphere shifts instantly. The pace might feel more relaxed, yet simultaneously more chaotic. The air is filled with the smells of street tacos, the sounds of cumbia and norteño music, and the vibrant colors of local markets. While California's culture is a melting pot with influences from all over the globe, Baja California's identity is deeply rooted in Mexican traditions, shaped by its history and its proximity to the U.S. It's not just about language or food. It's about a different rhythm of life, different social norms, and a different way of seeing the world. This distinct cultural identity is something Baja residents are fiercely proud of. They see themselves not just as Mexicans, but as norteños, with a unique character forged by the desert, the sea, and the border. Now, let's talk about the land itself. Geographically, they are two sides of the same coin, yet strikingly different. Both are blessed with stunning coastlines along the Pacific Ocean. California boasts iconic landscapes from the snowy peaks of the Sierra Nevada to the redwood forests and the arid Mojave Desert. It's a land of immense diversity, with fertile valleys like the Central Valley feeding a nation. Head south, and Baja California presents a different kind of raw, untamed beauty. It's a long, narrow peninsula dominated by rugged mountain ranges and vast, stark deserts like the Vizcaíno. Fresh water is far scarcer here, shaping life in profound ways. While Northern California is lush and green, much of Baja is a dramatic landscape of cacti, canyons, and dust. The iconic image is the desert meeting the sea, creating breathtaking cliffs and secluded beaches. This geographical contrast dictates everything from agriculture to population density. California supports massive cities and sprawling suburbs, while Baja's population is clustered in a few key cities like Tijuana, Mexicali, and Ensenada, with vast stretches of the peninsula remaining sparsely inhabited. Despite this clear separation by a border wall and distinct cultures, the economies of California and Baja California are deeply interwoven. Think of them as two giant gears, different in size, but spinning in sync. Every day, thousands of people cross the border to work, shop, and do business. This is one of the busiest land border crossings in the entire world. Many Americans from Southern California cross into Baja for more affordable dental care, medical procedures, and pharmaceuticals. On the other side, many Baja residents work in San Diego's service or agricultural sectors, commuting daily. But the connection goes deeper. A massive manufacturing industry known as the Maquiladora program thrives in Baja California. International companies, many of them American, set up factories in cities like Tijuana to take advantage of lower labor costs. These factories assemble products from electronics to medical devices, which are then shipped back into the U.S., often through Californian ports. This creates a powerful, symbiotic relationship. California gets cost-effective manufacturing right on its doorstep, and Baja California gets a huge source of employment and economic activity. It's a complex dance of capital and labor that flows back and forth across the border, creating a single, integrated regional economy that transcends political boundaries. To truly understand this relationship, we have to look back at history. For centuries, this entire region was one land, inhabited by various indigenous groups. Then came the Spanish explorers, who named the entire stretch California after a mythical island from a popular novel. For over 300 years, it was all part of New Spain, and later, Mexico. The big split came in 1848 with the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, which ended the Mexican-American War. Mexico was forced to cede a huge territory to the United States, including what is now the state of California. The border was drawn, and Alta California, or Upper California, became American, while Baja California, or Lower California, remained Mexican. This historical moment is the origin point of their separate paths. While one California experienced the gold rush, the rise of Hollywood, and the Silicon Valley tech boom, the other developed at a different pace, retaining its Mexican heritage while navigating its new reality as a border region. This shared history, a story of being one and then being divided, is a fundamental part of their identity. It's a past that is not forgotten and continues to shape attitudes and relationships on both sides of the border to this day. Finally, let's talk about tourism, the bridge that connects these two worlds on a personal level. For decades, Americans have seen Baja California as an accessible, adventurous getaway. Southern Californians pack their cars for weekend trips to Rosarito for beach parties, to Ensenada for the burgeoning wine seen in the Valle de Guadalupe, or further south to Los Capius for luxury resorts. This tourism is a massive driver for Baja's economy, supporting countless hotels, restaurants, and local artisans. But it's more than just an economic transaction. It's a cultural exchange. Americans get a taste of Mexican culture, food, and hospitality. In return, this interaction has also influenced Baja. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, and some coastal towns have large communities of American retirees and expats, creating hybrid communities where two cultures live side by side. Tourism also flows the other way. Shoppers from Tijuana flock to San Diego's malls, and families visit Disneyland. This constant flow of people creates a shared space of experience. It fosters understanding, builds personal connections, and blurs the hard line of the border, at least for a little while. It's through tourism that many people first experience the culture of their neighbors, sparking a curiosity that often leads to a deeper appreciation for the unique character of each California. So, the relationship between California and Baja. California is a rich tapestry woven from threads of shared history and stark contrasts. They are separated by a political border, different languages, and distinct cultural identities. Yet they are bound together by a powerful economic engine, a shared environment, and the constant movement of people. It's not a simple story of two neighbors. It's a dynamic, evolving partnership that defines life for millions. They are two distinct places with their own pride and their own problems, but they are also two parts of a greater whole, forever linked by geography and destiny. Understanding this unique bond is key to understanding the past, present, and future of this incredible corner of the world. Thanks for joining us on this journey down the coast. What do you find most fascinating about the relationship between the two Californias? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the connections that shape our world. See you next time.